Hi everyone. A very dear friend of mine sent me a wonderful gift a few days ago via another decent good friend um, who had to make a stop through Michigan, and my friend, Pete Kelly from Canada, sent me this absolutely gorgeous late 1960s. I found it was made probably around 1968 Canadian Hoover Convertible. It's the very first Hoover I've ever had that was made in Canada. And as you can see, in all of its sunset orange and seal greige, light and medium wonderfulness, it is very similar, almost spookingly similar, to its American convertible counterpart, except for a few things. Number one, if anyone has noticed, a Canadian convertible, at least this one, has a full handle bail. I'm sorry, handle, not handle bail. And around back has a very chunky power switch, and the bag spring is painted white. I know a few American convertibles had that, but the biggest difference is down on the bottom. Hoover Model 711, and right there, it is a painted base plate. It is not the shiny metal that we are used to on these older convertibles. And I believe that that was a Canadian feature only, or it's probably an overseas feature. Also, I want you to note the wheels are actually made of a translucent, well, not translucent, but a very almost a clear plastic they're not colored like the back wheels are. And as you can see, it has the speed switch for the attachments a la convertible, and it's just in magnificent condition. I am just absolutely enthralled because I do have a very wonderful convertible here in the Model 704, which I have done previous videos on, and you can see right there the two-piece handle arrangement. And the 704 was a promo, so it didn't have a hand grip like the 711 did, but these were all made right in the same time frame. And after asking another dear good friend and collector, he claimed that the 711 was similar to an American convertible that had a very low production range. It was one of the second rarest convertibles. So considering that this is a Canadian version, I am just, excuse me, I'm just tickled to death. But I want to go back to this here and shiny metal base plate. So, whoops. What we're going to do now is do a quick turn on and vacuum with this absolutely gorgeous specimen. noticed with this unit is that there is a slight agitator scraping, and I'm going to have to work on that. But this thing required very little maintenance, very little cleanup, and I'd like to extend a wonderful, tremendous thank you to Pete for my first and only Canadian Hoover. And as always, folks, thank you for watching, and please keep on the lookout for my next video.